In the heart of Asia, where the earth rises to meet the heavens, Afghanistan awakens. A land shaped by time, guarded by mountains older than memory. These peaks have witnessed empires rise and fall. They have carried the footsteps of travelers, poets, kings, and the dreams of civilizations that shaped the world. Between the mountains lie valleys of quiet beauty, places where life flows gently, where every sunrise carries hope, and every breeze carries the stories of generations. Kabul, a city of light, where ancient history meets the rhythm of modern life. A place of poetry, culture, and resilience, standing strong through the turning of centuries. Herat, the pearl of Khorasan, a cradle of art, architecture, and learning. Its minarets rise like verses of a forgotten poem, echoing the brilliance of a golden age. Kandahar, the heart of empires. A crossroads of civilizations, where warriors, traders, and kings once walked. A land where history breathes through every stone. From these lands rose Ahmad Shah Baba, the father of a nation, a leader whose vision united tribes, cultures, and horizons. His legacy lives in the spirit of Afghanistan, in its pride, its unbroken heart. Across the deserts, silence becomes a companion. Here, the horizon stretches without end, a canvas of sand, wind, and wonder. A reminder that beauty often lives in simplicity. And then, a miracle of water. Bandi Amir, of sanctuary of stillness, where the earth holds the sky in perfect reflection. A place where time seems to pause. Afghanistan's beauty is not only in its landscapes, but in its soul, in woven colors, carved stone, and the quiet strength of tradition. A tapestry of cultures, each thread glowing with its own story. As the sun descends, the land glows with a warmth that feels eternal. A moment where time slows and the world becomes golden, and when night falls, the heavens open. Stars gather above the mountains, reminding us that beauty is not only seen, it is felt. This is Afghanistan. Timeless, majestic, a horizon that lives forever. If you enjoyed this journey, subscribe to my YouTube channel, Lumiora Worldwide, for more cinematic travels across our beautiful planet.